Welcome back, fellas, to this new video to Express. Today I'm going to be showing you if you want to arrange the products on your Shopify store to highlight your best sellers or new arrivals. It's way lot easier than you might be thinking. The first step is to understand how the Shopify order products works. So it's very important to know this rule. One Shopify doesn't have a single all products pages that you can manually sort. Instead, product orders is controlled in a collection by collection basis. This means that you have to go to a specific collection to rearrange the product within it. So the first thing to do is to sign into your Shopify store. As you can see, we're already inside here. So what I'm going to be doing here now is to focus directly into the left section. Click into the drop down menu on the collection page that appears into products. I'm going to click here into the option that says products. Now here I'm going to scroll a little bit down where it says to here the scroll down section that says collections. When you click inside in there, you might be seeing that we have all our collections already been in here. In our case, we don't have any collections. So this is where you can see all the collections in the store. You can see the t-shirts, the summer collection, best sellers, whatever. So this is the part where you wanted to sort the order. On the collection page, want to look for the section with all your products, you will see a drop down menu right above the list of the products that says sort. Usually we have the all, for example, when I clicked into it, and you have now the option that says sort. So here into the sort, you'll see a bunch of different options like the best selling, the product title, the highest price, the lowest price, the newest, oldest, manually. So if you wanted to enable, for example, the manual, you can see the manual element. And you must select this option too. You can see that we have now this spots where we wanted to rearrange them. For example, the pet have movement globes. I wanted to put this into the first option of my store. And the courier cosplay should be the second option. And the dark cooling bandana would be the third option. You have now 4 sell options already been done. Now, to manually reorder your products. Now that you have selected the manual, you can start reordering as we just did here. But something else that I can totally suggest to you is to focus and try to stay positive with the specific collections. So what I'm going to be doing here is to focus now back into my collections. If you haven't claimed a correct collection, I'm going to focus into add collections here into the right corner. It says add collections. And hit into the title, let's say that I focused for collection, and what I wanted to do is to go for autumn collection. And here into collection type should be really important that you enable the option that says manual. Now for that, I'm going to focus for products, and you can browse all the products that you would like to add into your collections. For example, this one, I hit into add, and my product should be added already in here. And as you already know, then we can focus directly into the sort option and select manually. So you can be sorted by the manual after saving. This means that we can be now able to move and rearrange as we wanted to. Now that we can finish with this, it's important to save your deal. And lastly, I'm going to focus into this left section that says sales channel online store. Once we are in here, I'm going to focus into the current theme that we're currently using, which is this one. Now before we continue, it's going to be really important to always try to add and update the latest version of your theme in order to continue. And if you wanted to make any changes inside the current theme that you're currently using, it's going to be really important to always make a copy out of it, just in case something goes wrong. To make a copy out of it, just go directly here into the 3 dots and look out for the option that says duplicate. This will automatically create this duplicated version of a thing that you're currently using. And once you are finished with that, we want to focus for the option that says published. And well, there you go. I'm going to focus for published, and we'll be replacing the current that we're actually using. And there we go. So I'm going to keep now into customize. Inside of customization, I wanted to focus for my collections that we can see all around in here. And now we have the shop by collection, and right here we should see our collections. If you don't see it, you don't have to worry. Let's go for add collection, and here into collection list, for example, you can focus into a grid carousel. Let's focus for this grid, and I'm going to put this collection grid a little bit down, let's say here. There we go. And into collection title, I just select my collection card. And what you wanted to do is to select the collection of this specific list of the grid. So in my case, it should be all select. And there we go. My collection should now be correctly added. Hit into save, 3 dots, and view. As you can see, this process is not that hard. That's how you change the order of the products onto the Shopify store. So by taking control of your product layout, you can create more strategic and user-friendly Shopify store. So if this video helped you guys, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more great tools on how you can get started with all of this sorting of Shopify. Thank you guys for watching the video, guys. See you next time.